Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Kong-based Coinsuper allegedly blocks customers' withdrawals. UK lawmakers form crypto advocacy group for parliament, reports. Spanish lawmaker proposes turning Spain into Bitcoin mining hub. UK air traffic tech firm uses Hedera Hashgraph to track drones. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, according to reports, a cryptocurrency exchange in Hong Kong has halted all withdrawal requests. 5 clients are said to have filed police reports when token withdrawals were allegedly suspended, leaving them unable to recoup $55,000 in cryptocurrency and cash. Coinsuper, the only government-licensed cryptocurrency corporation in China, was created in November 2017 by a former top UBS Group AG executive. Based on a study of posts on exchange's major Telegram chat group, Bloomberg reports that clients of the boards have been unable to withdraw cash since late November. 5 consumers are said to have filed police reports when token withdrawals were allegedly suspended, leaving them unable to retrieve $55,000 in cryptocurrency and money. The public backlash over Coinsuper, which is financed by Pantera Capital and led by Karen Chen, a former president of UBS China Inc., may force Hong Kong authorities to tighten up their enforcement. A top official for the City-State Securities and Futures Commission warned in September 2021, as reported by Cointelegraph, that further action is needed to prevent cryptocurrency fraud, foreshadowing future guidelines on digital asset trading in the Special Administrative Region. The administrator of Coinsuper's Telegram discussion group apparently stopped responding to concerns about unsuccessful withdrawals last month, then reappeared this week requesting consumers' email addresses. Even after providing their information, several clients said there was no follow-up. According to analytics firm Lawmakers, the exchange processed around $17.4 million in volume in the past 24 hours, down from a daily record of $1.3 billion in late 2019. So moving ahead with our next segment, we're advancing to the UK. Apparently, Lisa Cameron, a member of the House of Commons in the United Kingdom, is said to be the chairwoman of a lobbying organization supporting crypto-related legislation in government. "We are at a critical juncture for the industry," said the group's chairman, MP Lisa Cameron. So let's dive into this one. Members of Parliament and the members of the House of Lords in the United Kingdom created the Crypto and Digital Assets Group this week to guarantee that laws for the crypto business in the United Kingdom promote innovation, according to a Friday article from the Financial Times. The bipartisan group wants to safeguard investors from financial crimes such as token frauds and regulated company offerings. "We are at a critical juncture in the industry as global governments are rethinking their approach to cryptocurrency and how it should be regulated," Cameron added. Crypto UK, the country's self-regulatory trade organization for the crypto sector, is said to have responded the advocacy group's formation. According to Ian Taylor, executive director of Crypto UK, the organization plans to spend more than $67,000 in 2022 to support the Crypto and Digital Assets Group, with an emphasis on education in the area of crypto assets. The Financial Conduct Authority of the United Kingdom issued many warnings to retail investors in 2021, warning them about the risk of dealing with crypto businesses that had not yet registered with the country's financial body. The Advertising Standards Authority in the United Kingdom, the country's independent advertising authority, has also taken down adverts from cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase and Kraken. So moving ahead with our next coverage, in the wake of demonstrations in Kazakhstan that have harmed the Bitcoin mining business, Maria Munoz, a member of the Congress of Deputies from the center-right Citizens Party, has advocated making Spain a safe haven for cryptocurrency investors. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. She cites the fact that the worldwide hash rate dropped 14% in only 2 days as a result of the unrest in the world's second largest mining center. The current Bitcoin price dip, according to the analyst, is also due to the unrest in Kazakhstan. On the Bitstamp platform earlier today, the flagship cryptocurrency fell to as low as $40,600. Manos gave 3 questions, each of which required a written response. She wonders if the government is aware of the impact that the recent drop in the global hash rate has had on the cryptocurrency cryptocurrency industry in Spain if the government plans to entice cryptocurrency miners who may be forced to flee Kazakhstan due to internet blackouts, and if there is information about how energy efficient the local Bitcoin mining industry is. Citizens recommended last year that a national cryptocurrency strategy be developed, which would entail the development of a clear regulatory framework and the implementation of strict compliance requirements. Its objective is to make cryptocurrencies safer for ordinary investors in the face of their growing popularity, while also placing Spain as one of the top crypto centers in the European Union and globally. However, the suggestion has yet to be considered by the administration. Monaz's most recent post drew a lot of backlash on Twitter. A member of the European Parliament, Ernest Urtasun, called her latest attempt a horrible joke, alleging that Bitcoin mining is harmful to the environment. So, wrapping up with our final segment, Hedera Hashgraph is used by a UK air traffic technology company to track drones. Hedera's public ledger consensus service was recently utilized to gather, store, and organize millions of data points in a drone data experiment backed by the UK government. Let's have a look at what is happening here, with our headline being: in a drone information trial supported by the United Kingdom authorities, Hedera's public ledger consensus service was recently used to collect, store, and order thousands and thousands of information variables. According to the statement, Hedera collaborated with Neuron Innovations, a London-based aviation technology firm, to test safe long-distance airspace sharing by commercial, military, and government drones. Thanks to Neuron's aviation surveillance as a service solution, drones can now smoothly join regular air traffic. The aircraft technology business then employed Hedera Consensus Service to collect, store, and order drone data. Niall Greenwood, CEO of Neuron, said, "We have made unmanned long-distance travel possible using safety-critical aviation infrastructure. As a result, every flight creates millions of data points which no other public ledger has been quick enough to record and control properly." Hedera is the world's most widely used, long-lasting, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy, allowing people and corporations to build powerful decentralized apps. It is intended to be a more equitable and efficient system that overcomes some of the drawbacks of prior blockchain-based platforms, such as slow performance and instability. Hedera Hashgraph has formed numerous partnerships to implement blockchain technology in real-world applications across various industries. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coinmonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.